Hi, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Today I am here to take class for grade 4. Okay, before enter into the lesson, I will ask a few questions to you. Okay, have you all like to play? What are the types of games you like to play? Both indoor games and outdoor games. What are the games you like to play? Okay, carom, chess, hide and seek. Very good. These games are you like to play. Okay, in my childhood days I like to play hide and seeks and all those things, but we tie the rope in the trees and swing. Okay, but nowadays you are missing that. Okay, we tie the rope in the trees and play, but nowadays you are playing in a some other. ஓகேவா, யார் உங்கள் வீட்டிலே வந்து ஊஞ்சல் வாங்கி போட்டுறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி யூ ஆர் பிளேயிங். இன் மை சைல்ட்ஹுட் டேஸ் I played in trees. Okay, so you are now this generation peoples are missing that. Okay, now we are going to see about Abraham Lincoln childhood memories. Okay, what he did. Okay, do you all know who is Abraham Lincoln? Anyone? Yes, Abraham Lincoln is a American president. Okay, today we are going to see the lesson about when Lincoln was a boy. Okay, what is the title? When Lincoln was a boy. About his childhood days we are going to tell. Okay, ma'am. Abraham Lincoln is a great president of America. He is a president in 1861 to 1865. Okay, ma'am. This is about Abraham Lincoln. Okay, when he was a young, he was a boy, and they have place to live, but they did not live in a study place. They did not have to live. They changed their place. Okay, place to place they will change. In the story they are going to one forest to live. Okay, ma'am. They went to the forest and searching the place to settle. Okay, they have to family. There are many families are there, but they have to settle each family. They have to settle the house. No, so Lincoln family also go on identifying one place, and they are cleaning all those all the forest. Means there is full of trees, small plants are there, so they have to clean that, and they should make the house for that, house for them. So like that they are also going to the forest and finding the one beautiful place and cleaning all the place, for cutting the woods, all those things. Okay, his father is working as a farmer. They are a farmer. So for living for some place and remaining place for farming. Okay, ma'am. So at the age of 7, okay, Abraham Lincoln at the age of 7 he is helping to his father. Okay, for wooding cuts. Okay, cutting the woods, and then farming. For farming also he is helping for his father. All the peoples love Abraham Lincoln. Okay, all the peoples call him as a Abhi. Okay, his short name is Abhi. Okay, one summer day. Okay, one summer day, Abhi and his friend Austin. Okay, they both are playing. Okay, they are swinging in a tree, shouting, smiling, laughing and whistling. So the whole day they are enjoying a lot. Okay, that time Einstein asked to Abhi, let me play hide and seek. Okay, if you all know hide and seek, what does mean by hide and seek? Yes, ஒளிஞ்சு பிடிச்சு. Okay, ஒளிஞ்சு பிடிச்சு விளையாடுவோம். Like that Einstein is asking to Abhi. So what Abhi said, yes, let me play, but we go to the cave. Okay, cave in the sense kugai. Okay, if we go and play there, means it is a very beautiful place to play hide and seek. Like that Abhi is telling to Einstein. So for that also Einstein said, okay, yes, this is a suitable place to play hide and seek. Cave is a suitable place. Like that Einstein is saying to the Abhi, and then they both are going to the cave to play the hide and seek. Next, what happened? They are walking going to that cave. That time they are hearing one strange sound. That sounds like a baby crying. Okay, wow. So they both are shocked to hear that sound, because in the forest, how the baby will come here, like that they are seeing and looking, and they both are staring. What happened? What sound is coming? So both of them also feared. So that time what Abhi said, if you hear any sound, like that, they both of them also asking, yes, I am hearing the crying sound. So there is a lot of bushes there. Okay, forest means there is a lot of bushes, no. So there is one bushes, near that only they hearing one sound, strange sound. That means that crying sound they are hearing. So what the Abhi moving friend to see what sound is coming from that bush, like that. So Einstein, what he is fearing, okay, he is panic to go near that bushes. He is stopping Abhi also. He is holding Abhi's hand, okay, arms, and you should not go there, like that. Einstein is saying to Abhi. So what the Einstein is saying, this is not like a baby crying. It's a sound like baby crying, but panther also, panther sound also like that. Panther sound is also like baby crying, like that Einstein is saying to Abhi. So the few minutes they are standing again to come the sound, the crying sound to come again. So after the few minutes again the sound is coming. So that time what Abhi said, this is not like a panther, but something is hurted, that sound only I am hearing, like they are saying. So what happened? Abhi, he started to move near the bushes. He is gone standing near the bushes, and seeing there is a small puppy with hurted his legs. Okay va, and the dog oda leg vandu light ah odanjirundukku. So the dog, the small puppy is crying. Okay va. So what happened? They both also go near the bushes and take the dog. Okay va. The dog is crying. That time what happened? Abhi, he split the wood. Split in the sense a thin piece of wood. Now in the human being also, if they broke their legs, hands, means they stick the scale, no, scale வச்சு இப்படி வச்சு கையில் கட்டி கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஸ்டிஃப்னஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்காண்டி they will do like that. Abhi also take some thin slice of wood, he take and tie it on the dog's leg. Okay, puppy's leg la he is tied. Okay, next what happened? They both go and take the puppy, and he is saved that dog. After that what happened? They both are planned to keep the dog inside the cave, because if the dog is here means it's not a safe for the dog. So we keep the dog inside the cave, like that they both are planned. So now Einstein, what he is doing, he is go on preparing a bed for the dog through the leaves. Okay, he is preparing a beautiful bed for the dog. Then Abhi take the dog and put inside the cave. Okay, so after a few minutes what they went to take some foods, water for the dog. Okay, they come and keep inside the cave will on they both are kept the dog with the bed, and then water, food, all those things they keep for the dog. Next what happened? That Abhi said, okay, Abhi said to the Einstein, okay, let me go. Okay, you go to your home, I will take care of the dog, puppy, I will take care of the puppy, because your home is far away, my home is near the cave only, no, so I will take care, so you will go, like that. Abhi is saying to Einstein, but Einstein is not going, I am also be with you, like that he is saying. So Abhi said, okay, you will go, you will come tomorrow, one day you will come, next day I will come, so we will share and do save the dog, like that they both are saying. Okay, next what happened? Einstein went home. Abhi came to cave daily, both morning and evening. He regularly changed his bed. Okay, he regularly changed his bed through the leaves. Okay, leaves also they make the bed daily. He changed the food, water, all those things. Now few days later, the dog somewhat okay with his leg. He able to walk. So what happened? Abhi came out with a dog. Cave landu they take the dog outside and they playing all those things. Now the dog is very happy because no they both are helped for the dog, no, so he is very happy. He is licking the Abhi's face, like he is thanking. If someone help us means we will say thanks, no, but animals they can't speak. So what here he is doing, he thanking through his licking, okay va, lick panni he is saying his thanks, okay va. This is the story about when Lingan was a boy. Thank you. We will see you next class.